Hey guys, welcome back to Chart Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to share how to trade with a super trend indicator. I will be revealing the best super trend trading strategy that you can use to make profits right after watching this video. In this strategy, I will be using super trend indicator in combination with the 20 and 50 exponential moving average. Everything explained in this video can be used for stock, currency, and crypto tradings, including scalping, day trade, and a swing trade. So please stay tuned. First, let me talk about the definition. What is the super trend indicator? A super trend is a trend following indicator similar to moving averages. It is a single line that switches from green to red and vice versa. It is based on ATR, signifying the momentum and volatility of the market. The super trend indicator works this way. When the price goes above the super trend turns green, which means the market is in a bullish trend, and we only look for buying opportunities. Similarly, when the price is below the super trend turns red, which means the market is in a bearish trend. At this time, we only look for selling opportunities. Now let me start to review this strategy. In this strategy, we are going to use two rules. One is the default super trend with a 10-period ATR and a 3 ATR multiplier. And number two is 20 EMA and 50 EMA. The reason we are using 20 and 50 EMA is to filter out false signals generated by the super trend and increase the winning rate. Now let us see the buy and sell setup on this chart. Trading rules are simple. For taking buy positions, you should make sure of the following rules. Rule number 1. Identify a buy signal is generated. And rule number 2. 20 EMA should be closed above 50 EMA. When you see the two rules are clear, you may take a long position here by using a buy stop order and then place a stop loss order below 50 EMA or swing low. You may exit your trade when the price closes below 20 EMA, but when the price closes above 20 EMA again, the super trend stays green in color, you may take another long entry. For this trade, you can see the price moves up, and it is a successful trade. Let's see more examples for buy setup. For taking sell positions, you can use the same rules, but everything is in reverse. Rule number 1. Identify a sell signal is generated. Rule number 2. 20 EMA should be closed below 50 EMA. When you see the two rules are clear, you may take a short position here by using a sell stop order. And then you place a stop loss order above 50 EMA or swing high. You may exit your trade when the price closes above 20 EMA. But when the price closes below 20 EMA again, and the super trend stays red in color, you may take a short entry again. Let's see more examples for sell setup. Okay, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you must have liked this perfect trading strategy. If you want to know more secret and profitable trading strategies, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and good luck, my friend. See you next time.